This is a 3D model.
We are also looking at its night view, so it looks amazing. So in this video, I will show step by step how to make this design very easily. You will find many videos on YouTube, but no one has said it so well. Must watch the video till the end and subscribe to the channel for watch next videos. So let's open the Blender and we can see an interface by default. No need to delete this cube. We will make the bed with it. So press S plus Z to decrease the height of the cube along the Z axis, and now press S plus X to decrease its scale along the X axis. Press G to center it. Okay, perfect. Our bed is just right. Now go to edit mode and using the cut tool, just cut some parts of the left side of the cube. Okay, select it. Now select selection tool and press E and drag the mouse along the Z axis. We can see a bed headboard is being created and all together from a bed frame. Now we can call the body of the bed. So we go to object mode and go to modifiers, then add the bevels modifier. We will put the value to here. We can see that a radius has been created on the shape, which makes it look very nice. Now we will make a matrix for the bed. For this, add the cube mesh. Pressing S to decrease its size and pressing S plus Z to decrease the height along the Z axis. Now press G to place it in the middle of the bed. Pressing S plus X and pressing S plus Y to fix the scale. Okay, perfect. We will give it a realistic look, so it looks like the matrix has cotton inside. Then go to edit mode and right click and hit on subdivide. A pop-up box will appear in this corner. From here we will make 25 piece geometric part. Then go back to object mode and go to modify. Click on add modify. Then add the subdivision surface. Go to the cloth because we will apply physics here. Scroll down and tick mark on pressure box. Apply pressure of 5 pascal. Then go down and open field weight. Set the gravity to 0. Okay, right now we press the play button. See the matrix being stretched and looking just like real matrix. Now after coming to the keyframe, it seems that the pressure is perfect. We'll turn off the play button. Go to modifier and apply the wall presets. Okay, our matrix is now a real floor filling. Now we will add a bed cover, so select a plane mesh. Go to add and add a plane mesh. Press G to move it to Z axis and press S plus Y to scale Y axis. Move down by pressing G and Z. We can see the plane is set perfectly. Go to edit mode and right click on plane and hit to subdivide. We can see a pop-up. Just go here and put subdivide below about 50. Now go again object mode and then add subdivide surface from here. And now go to clothes menu. Before this, we will select all the object and apply collision. We will see its work a little later, so I select all object and apply collision. Okay, now select the plane and apply collision, then apply cloth. Scrolling and you must check gravity is 1. Now we are ready to press playback icon. We can see the bed cover is nicely set on the mattress. Basically this was a work of collision. If I had not used collision all over, the bed cover would have come down under the bed. Now we will make some folds on the cover to make it look real. Go into sculpting mode and from here I make some folds with the cloth brush. Just wait. Okay, perfect. And now we will make the pillow. For this, click on the cube icon and drag the mouse to take a cube and press S to scale it. Press G and Y to move it along the Y axis and press S plus Z to decrease its height along the Z axis. Go back to edit mode and right click. Go to subdivide and add 25 subdivision. Go to modify and add subdivision surface. Then go to cloth and open field weight. Select gravity 0 and tick mark on pressure box. Take 5 Pascal. Now press playback icon. When the pressure seems perfect, then I will close the play button. I think this is perfect, so I close it and go to modify tool and apply all. Now let's go into sculpting mode to make the pillow real, and we'll try to give a nice look to the pillow with this brush. Press Shift plus D to duplicate this. We can see two pillow. And finally our design is perfect. At last we can apply different color for it. So go to shading mode and select bird's body. I apply dark color for it. Okay. And select a little red for bed cover. And now finally we can see our bed is ready to view. So for this, let's go to night mode and go to add menu. Add a light from here. Okay. Now move this light by move tool to the angle you want to see. We can see our bed is look nice. This was a tutorial on designing a 3D bed.
So guys, if you are interested in learning 3D design, then stay connected by subscribing our channel. Thanks.